want you to breathe all your air out. Let go. Oh.
I'm really glad that you made mention of this technique because today you need it. Okay, you're tight. This is going to help stretch out the fascia and pump the disc.
Nice. Wow. Let go.
Breathe in, breathe out all your air. Let go. Okay.